What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing 5 different back to school Hypebeast mystery boxes from all different tiers. Now we have 2 boxes from Laced Up, which is a store in New York City and an online mystery box store. We have one from a local store called Hype, and then I made 2 of the boxes. I went to the mall, I went to the stores, and I picked out hand-picked stuff to personally unbox and show you guys what's inside. The pricing is $150 box, $250 box, $270 box, $750 box, and a $1,000 mystery box. Now the 2 that I made are going to be for sale on my website, as well as there is 10% off right now on my website using code HNBTS. 10% off anything on the website, as well as you can get 10% off those mystery boxes if you go on and buy it. Now one of them we are giving away, that is the $270 box right here. All you have to do to win the Laced Up $270 mystery box, you have to 1, subscribe to the channel, you have to 2, follow me on Instagram, and number 3, comment down below your Instagram username. And at the end of this video, we're going to be announcing the 3 winners for the previous back to school mystery boxes, so go ahead and wait for the end of the video for that. Now this video is sponsored by Embellish. Now if you don't know Embellish, they make trendy, affordable clothing. I'm going to be unboxing 2 pairs of pants, 1 pair of shorts at the end of this video, as well as we'll be announcing a giveaway of a pair of those at the end of the video. They also are giving you guys 20% off their website using harrisonnevel, so if you guys use that, you can use the link down below to go ahead and get that, but we'll talk about it and unbox it a little bit more at the end of the video. So firstly, I'm going to unbox the 2 Laced Up boxes. Now, I actually unboxed these a few hours ago before I got my haircut. I had to get a haircut afterwards, and then we're gonna unbox the rest of them. So let's go ahead, refresh a little bit back to a couple hours ago, and unbox that. These 2 boxes right here are from Laced Up. I did pay for both of these because I wanted to kind of compare and show you guys what you can get. They do sell these on their website, so obviously you guys can go get them. That's why I bought them. $270, $1,000. We're gonna compare what you get and what the value is like. Whichever one is in your price range. If you only have a little bit less to spend, maybe you could go for the $270. If you got more, go for the $1,000 and see the value that you get. So we're gonna move this $1,000 to the side. We're gonna do that second, and we're going to now open up this box right here, the $270. I'm curious to see, because with back to school, I assume and I relate back to school with like clothing and things like that. So we're gonna check out and see what they have for back to school, because I don't think a backpack's gonna fit in this. All right, so we got the Laced Up bag. Laced Up always wraps everything nice and makes a mess of my apartment. Looks like we have about 4 or 5 items in the $270 box. Now, of course, we're gonna be comparing values and seeing kind of where we're at. First thing up, we have a Baby Milo Ooh, this is like an actual school set. So this is like a Baby Milo set where you have pencils. I think Laced Up might have put this together. So this is like a little Baby Milo bag. I guess for they're doing the back to school mystery boxes, they're putting in like things like pencils, pens, erasers, things like that. These are like from Staples, some note cards. Then you have like a Babe keychain. They laced up little lanyard, so you can go ahead and put that on there if you got some keys or something. And that all fits in this bag right here. But the good thing about this is you've already got materials, you've already got stuff. You can use this actually for your materials, like all your school supplies, and just have a nice little, you know, flex right there. Oh my gosh, this is like a throwback. I remember putting these on my pens. This is weird. Next up, we are unboxing a Laced Up shoulder bag. So this is a nice little addition in there. Then you have this right here. This is something that they have for the store. These are actually really nice straps right here. I haven't even taken a strap out of these. Kind of like a barbed wire. Take this, throw this on, keep your pencils, keep your phone, everything in there, and then we'll keep going. I think we got 2 teas right here. We got this, which I believe would be a vape tumbler. Yep. I've had a couple of these before. I actually use these a lot. If you don't want to have a regular water bottle at school, just go ahead and take the Babe tumbler right there, and you can fill it up with water. Now, I'm actually going to be giving away this $270 mystery box. I forgot to put it, so I'm going to have to edit it in the beginning, me saying that this is a giveaway. You got the Babe tumbler. These typically go for about $75, $75, $80, and then we'll keep moving. This feels like there's multiple things in here. This actually feels like there's like a notebook or something. So they put an actual composition notebook. This is like memory lane, bro. This is so weird. Wide ruled composition notebook. This is more like odd for me to see in a mystery box than anything. We have a Bape tee. Laced Up is known for having a nice collection of Bape tees. You guys know that. This kind of looks like an Adidas logo right there. You can see Bape tee. These typically go for about $100 right there. Then right here, the second one, we have another Bape tee and then a Bape towel. Again, these Bape tees go for around 100 to 125. So if you're looking at that right there, this one's probably about I would say 100. Like actual selling is like 125. I sell them for about 90 to 100. Let's say 100, 100. That's 200 right there. You have this little Bape hand towel, which goes for about $50 to $75 as well. I believe this could be more, but just a little bit of a hand towel. That could be something you keep on your desk when you're eating Cheetos and a little wipe off. And then you got this for $75, as well as you have the little Baby Milo. That's what you're getting and a very simple, you get clothing, you get pencils, you get a little composition notebook, and a shoulder bag. I think it's a good value if you're trying to get that like starter mystery box that's focused more towards back to school. Now, obviously there's other mystery boxes you can get that aren't like back to school focused, but that's the first one there. I'm excited to see what this $1,000 one looks like though. Hopefully we got some sneakers, some backpacks or something. Let's see. Let's open up this $1,000 box now and see what goodies we got. Hoping for some sneakers, a backpack maybe. First thing up we see, I think I see a pair of sneakers in there. Oh, this is heavy. We got a good amount of stuff in here. $1,000 box. Okay, we're gonna pull some of this stuff out. I can already kind of feel what that might be. Then we have the sneakers, I think, right here. Ooh, a pair of Air Forces. I'm gonna leave those to the side. First thing up on the 1,000, I think I'm gonna do this water bottle right here. I believe this is the SIG water bottle from Supreme. I did have one of these before, ended up selling it on my website, but this is really like the value of this. I think they're about $80 to $100. I have to confirm on that. They came out with some new ones, but that one right there is $80, so pretty decent value on that. We're having that little bit of hype on there, and SIG is actually a good water bottle company. It's not just like Supreme on just like a plastic water bottle. Metal water bottle, that's the first thing up right there. And then next up we got, dang, I've never even seen these before. These are a pair of Bape shorts. You got that Bape green camo. These are actually pretty cool. See, they had these ones at 240 bucks, ABC shorts in beach. These right here, I probably sell them for about 200 bucks, but 240 plus 80 to 90 probably on these. Shorts are definitely good for back to school for that fall time. Next thing we have is a Supreme Dynamite tee in a size large. They had it at 100 bucks. This is a cool tee actually. If you saw my back to school essentials, I listed a few tees that are very simplistic, and this one's good. It says Supreme, has a little bit of nice logo, and this is a size large. This is one of the newer drops. Cameraman just informed me, so I guess this dropped, did this drop first? No, not first week. Feels like we got some more notebooks in there. That's about $80 to $100. We have a Bathing Ape Milo tee. Another nice black t-shirt. These are pretty cool shirts, I think, for school. Something that's a little cool. I like the fitted Bape tees, a little bit boxy. This one right here, I'd probably put at about $80 to $100. Again, like I said before, feel more of those papers. Yep, we got some papers, pencils, a composition notebook. That back to school little guide right there. Then we have a black Ape tee with the green camo in a size large. And then lastly, we have the Air Force ones, which I'm gonna try to guess what these are. If my guess is the Travis Scott Air Force ones, probably in the sale colorway. I'm not gonna look at the color, I'm gonna look at the size. These are a size 11. My size, I currently don't have any Travis Scott Air Force ones. So let's see what we got. We have the Travis Scott, ooh, these are the OG Travis Scott Air Force ones. Pre-owned in a size 11. They had these at $1,000. Realistically, these are around 800 bucks. Like I actually sold my pair for 600, I believe. 600 bucks, so 600. You have 3 Bape tees easily worth 100. You got the shorts worth 200, the Supreme tee 100. So I guess in a couple of these different boxes, they probably put some backpacks or some different types of shoes depending on what size you are. We're gonna go ahead now, we're gonna head to the mall. We're gonna head to a few different stores. We're gonna put together 2 mystery boxes to sell on my website. So next up is going to be the 175 box that I created that's going to be for sale on my website. I put some nice little things on the outside, Supreme, Hypebeast, stuff like that. Let's show you guys what you would get. Obviously, I know what's in here because I created it, but I want to show you guys what it's going to be like when you get it and unbox it. Hopefully this gives you some insight on how boxes would look from me, because I never really do this. First thing right out the bag is going to be some school supplies, because of course is back to school. We have 2 t-shirts. We have one Dolphin tie-dye tee, which is a vintage t-shirt. I really like this. I wore this a few times actually. The value of this is about 15 bucks. We have a Supreme tee right here. You guys might have seen it from the back to school video. This one goes for about 75 bucks. That's what I value at. I have a notebook for back to school. Also throw in there some game codes for Xbox. Now if you don't have the Xbox, maybe you can sell this to a friend, but this is a game code for Gears of War 4. Free game. I had this at about 30 bucks value. Got some Supreme accessories like a sticker, a band-aid. It's a Supreme band-aid. Then we have a pair of sneakers in a size 11. These are the Nike D-Break undercovers in red. These were tried on once. Pretty much brand new. Yeah, these are pretty much brand new. Retail was $160. Had the value of these at 100. Now in each of the boxes, I have a notebook, and on the inside of the notebook, this is kind of like the Supreme Louis Vuitton duffel bag. The inside of it, I put a price list. So on the price list of this one, I had the sneakers at 100, tee at 75, Dolphin Vintage 15, Xbox games worth about 30, school supplies, Supreme accessories. These right here are the school supplies. I didn't take any value in the box for these. These are just from me personally to whoever buys the box. So on the inside, I just bought some stuff that I would probably use for back to school. I've personally curated. So we have some cool ballpoint pens right there. I just like the way these look. They're nice and sleek. we added a McLaren Senna Hot Wheel. What does that have to do with back to school? I don't know, but I like Hot Wheels and it just kind of reminded me of that. Got this orange pencil pouch right here. This is like the same accent colors as my R8. Nice lead pencils right here, some erasers, extra goodies. That is the first box that I created. I think it's pretty decent. You got a nice little value in there. I'd say it's worth about $250 to $300, and you're getting free stuff like Hot Wheels, pencils, things of that nature. So that's the first one of those. Next up is going to be the $250 box. I want to make these a little bit affordable, not too expensive. So let's open this boy up. First thing up, we have a pair of shoes. These are the Puma Liquid Cell. Pretty cool activewear shoe. No box with those. They're worth about $110, but I had them at $50 in the box. We have a few t-shirts. This Fact tee, got this from a local store here, worth about $50. These are all like a size large. We have a Supreme tee. This is a Supreme Escher tee in blue, size large as well. Had that at $75. We have a Supreme headband, New Era headband. These go for about $100. Nice little HFLA reflective hat. We have the notebook as well, same thing. Included one of the Bear Bricks. It's one of the Bear Bricks from a last video. They miniature, it's like a 7.3% or something. Band-Aid. Supreme bouncy ball. Then the bag here. This one actually includes 2 games, Halo Wars 2 and Killer Instinct. I've never played Killer Instinct, so I'm not even sure what it really is. And then inside of this one, the only difference besides the pens and stuff is we put this Star Wars Lego that is the same color as my car, my Audi R8. It's got the orange accents, the Nardo gray. So I thought that was cool. So box number 2, $250. This one's worth about probably $400 to $500. This will be a cool one. Can't wait to see who gets this. So after this, we have one more box, and that is from the local store Hype. They went ahead and decided to put one together for me for $750. So let's check that out. So lastly is from Hype. Now Hype is a local store, so we went to the store, picked this up. They just put it in a regular Home Depot box. So I asked them to go ahead and just curate a box for back to school that would have some different things that you would think that I have not had before. So let's go ahead, check out what they got. They don't sell mystery boxes directly, but whenever I ask them to do a video with a mystery box, they like to put something together for me. This is what they came up with. Let's see what we got. Taking a peek in here. First, I see some Supreme bags. I see a Converse Play box. These are a CDG Converse in the white colorway. This is the newer one. Retail on these is $130. I'd probably put these at $100 as far as value goes. They are brand new, but you could get these in stores still. These are a size women's 11, men's 9. So not my size. So after that, we have a Jordan 1 box, but we have a Supreme bag, and it looks like we have a Supreme hoodie. I remember when this one came out. I think this is from at least a year or two ago. I don't remember the name. Size large. This kind of looks like a hockey jersey. Pretty cool Supreme hoodie right there. Perfect for fall time. This is different. This isn't like a box logo. It says Supreme, but it's not like too light to where, you know, it's not flexing that Supreme logo. The pair of shoes we have here are a Jordan 1 size 10.5 and the Summit white and blue. It's the Blue Moon. Okay, these are the they have a pair that are the clays that I think they're the clays. I had them in green. They're in yellow, red, and this colorway. Very nice suede on the back right there. These look to be, they look pretty new. I think they're new. We're selling these about $200 to $350. So we're looking at $250, $350. This hoodie is probably worth, I'll have to look it up. I think about $200. That's $550. And then we have one more bag in here, and that is it. Within that bag, we have, looks like 2 t-shirts. First is Astroworld merch. This is really cool. I've actually not had any Astroworld merch. Actually, I got one in a box that was too small, but this one is a size large. On the front, it says, Astroworld, wish you were here, enjoy the ride. I believe this is just from his website drop of the album. Something different from a Supreme tee. We like that. We like a little bit of a switch up. And then we have a Palace tee. So another nice little switch up. It says Palace Flex on it. There you go. Flex on them with your Astroworld, your Supreme. Palace tees. I have not had much Palace. Palace is a cool company. They come out with some cool stuff. I would like to get some Palace boards for this wall. Let's pull everything together, show what we got. All right, guys, so that is all the mystery boxes. If there was one that you had to pick out of the total, which would it be? Now, I assume you might pick the most expensive one, the $1,000 one with the Travis's. Me personally, I like the Travis one, and I like the one from Hype. I think the one from Hype has some good variety. I like the Travis merch, so I think that's pretty good as well. And obviously, I like my mystery boxes I put together, but I put them together, so I'm not gonna pick those. I'm sure the ones on my website will probably go quick, but hopefully you guys are fast enough if you wanna cop them. Now let's go ahead and show you guys an unboxing of the different things from Embellish Clothing. You wanna check out some really cool essentials to wear for every day. Different clothing, super affordable, trendy clothing. So let's go ahead and cut back to that unboxing. My hair is a little bit longer. We'll show you guys some shots of it on me, and then we'll wrap up this video with the giveaway winners. All right, guys, so it's time to show you some of the different things from Embellish. Now, I got the tartan shorts, the Perryman denim, and the snap cargo pants in black. So I'm very excited to see what these look like. As you guys can see, we have the Embellish packaging on the outside. I think this pair of denim is gonna be really sweet. I feel like they'll look really good with my Dior shoes, so check these out. These are a pair of splatter denim that I plan on cuffing up so you can see the shoes underneath. I just like that splatter. I think it looks really cool. So I'm excited to show you guys this. So I'll be putting these ones on. And then we also have snap cargos, which these are such a good value for what you're getting. Look at these pants right here. You've got the cargo pockets. You have these snaps that go all the way down. I cannot wait to show you these with the Travis ones. I think it'll look really good. And then lastly, I picked up a pair of shorts just to end off the fall time. Check these out right here. They're kind of like a maroon color. You got the nice drawstring. These are actually really nice quality. So now let's go ahead and show you guys a little bit of a lookbook of me wearing these so you can kind of see what they look like, see which one you like. Now again, 3 different people can win a pair of these pants that I have here. I think you guys might like the snap denim better. So if you follow the rules to the giveaway, you can win a pair of snap denim. 3 different people. So let's go ahead and check these out, what they look like on body. Alright guys, if you want a chance to win a pair of these snap cargo denims, we're going to give away 3 pairs. The first rule is to register down on Embellish. There'll be a link down below. You have to follow Embellish on Instagram. Then number 3, comment down below snap cargo. You have a chance to win a pair of these snap cargos. So we're gonna load up the first giveaway now for the winners. All right, so for the first winner right here, this is gonna be for the back to school backpack. We're gonna pick the random winner, and we have, it's gonna load up. Come on, come on, come on. Let's see it, let's see it. We have Space Knight. We're gonna go ahead and make sure that he follows all the rules, and if he does, he's gonna win a backpack, and hopefully he responds. The next one is going to be for the Louis Vuitton Supreme again, because that was never claimed. Let's go ahead and pick the winner. Please, come on. Hopefully somebody puts a comment with their Instagram or something. We have Louis Bennett. Need those shoes or a trainer box, bro. Let's go ahead and try to see if we can contact him because it's kind of tough without having an Instagram. Zach already replied. And then lastly, we have the back to school sneakers, and the winner of the back to school sneakers out of 10,000 people is going to be, we have Hunter Loveridge, size 12.5 to 13. So let's go ahead and see if he follows the rules. Again, we got multiple giveaways going on. There'll be more coming up in the future. That's gonna wrap it up for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like down below. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison, signing out.